is Tip Top Gamer. My name is Tip Top Gamer. My real name is James. I don't want to say my last name, but my real name is James. My YouTube name is Tip Top Gamer. But if you guys don't want to say, hey Tip Top Gamer, what's up Tip Top Gamer? I'm even messing up. You guys can just call me Tip, so that works too. So, in this channel, that means it's finally time. It is finally time. It is finally time for me to tell you everything.
Link, you are our final hope. The fate of Hyrule rests with you.
You must save her, my daughter. Do whatever it takes to annihilate Ganon.
I think that would be my best
Follow
option.
the road after Kakariko Village. There you will find the Elder Impa. She will tell you more about the path that lies ahead.
So anyway, here's Impa. Yes, I am. Free the 4 divine beasts.
Impressive, I know. Very few can achieve a mastery of the sky. Yet I have made an art of creating an updraft that allows me to soar. It's considered to be quite the masterpiece of aerial techniques, even among Naruto.
Bad news, Link. Looks like I got hit pretty good back there. I think I need to get back to the flight range. I just hope that I can make it back. You head down to Meadow.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this awesome episode.
Good luck.
Please tune in next time
It's all you.
for the fight on Meadow. So long everybody. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, Tip Top Gamer is back with another awesome episode of The Legend of the Zelda Breath of the Wild. If you were here last time, you'll know that we boarded Meadow. We found Teba, we got their volume memory, and, like I said, we boarded Meadow.
Well now, I've seen that face before. I had a feeling you would show up eventually, but making me wait 100 years is a bit indulgent. You're here to wrest control of Meadow away from Ganon, correct?
Correct?
If so, then the first thing you'll want to do is find yourself a map. That guidance stone has the information for the layout of this divine beast. Can you make it there?
Oh, you don't think I can? Watch me. Damn. The Force Roller Bow is really helpful because it doesn't fire 3 arrows at a time. Well, it does, but there's like duplicates of the others, so you're not wasting arrows. We got a Guardian Spear. Wielded by Guardian Scouts, this spear has a high pierced power and is a testament to the Sheikah's high level of technology. The spearhead appears only when brandished. Okay, I don't have enough room, but that's okay. Alright, I got this done. And here is the layout for Divine Beast Vah Medoh. Divine Beast controls have been enabled.
You'll need to look closely at your map of the Divine Beast. The terminals that will activate Medoh are marked by those glowing points. You'll need to activate all of the terminals to take back control. Think you're up to it?
Oh yeah, I am. Right, guys? Yep. Oh. Wrong way. That's embarrassing. I thought I had it the right way. There's a chest over here. And basically what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to do this, then you're supposed to get out magnesis right there. Just hold this steady. Oh yeah. Boom. Ta-da! Thank you, let this go. Then we have this chest right here. 10 ice arrows. Then I still have enough room for one more battle. Nice bow! Yay! Wait. Oh! Is that times 3 arrows or times 3, attack? Times 3 power. I have no idea.
There are 4 terminals remaining. Still a ways to go.
Still a ways to go, but still I did it. So I gotta at least give me credit for that. Right then, gotta wait until this is ready. I'll make sure. There we go. How great is that music, huh? See slate authenticated.
There are 3 terminals remaining. Keep going.
I thought you didn't believe in me. And now because I'm helping you out, you do? Is this? Okay. I'm still fine. There we go.
There are 2 terminals remaining. You're almost there.
I did it! Yup. I think this is a new sword. This is the Knight's Claymore. Even if it is ours, then I'm gonna read it just in case. Only the most confident. Only the most confident of Hyrule Castle's knights carried this 2-handed sword. Its cut edge is finely honed. So I guess gotta drop something. Sorry, Feather Spear. Okay, got it. Then I'm gonna try this a different way. Going to just glide down this way. Cheat way. Is this a cheat way or trick way? The store opens up. 3rd time you hear that. 3rd time's the charm. Or 3rd time's the harm.
Just 1 terminal remaining. What do you know?
Yeah, I'm that skilled, right? Right? Of course I am. Yeah! That is how you do it! That is how you do it!
That was the last terminal. Now you just need to start the main control unit. I want you to take a good look at your map. There should be a new glowing point on there. Well, flap to it.
Alright. Well, first, before I get off, I feel like there's some more places that I can explore. I haven't speed dating this thing. Wait, no! I went too low! Wait! Oh my gosh, I made it! What? I made it! ancient shaft. I only have 6 of those. Alright, light up. Yes! Alright, this is good. At the end of this episode, before we end it, because this has been very short, we can, go, get Stasis Plus. I probably have enough for everything else, right? $14 ancient screws, 6 ancient shafts, and 3 ancient cores. Let's go. We can do it. We can get every single update that the Sheik Slate has to offer. And here's the main control unit. Get ready. Wait. I think there's a possibility that there's a chest over here. Because his nose is like a cup. Look at me, I'm on his eye. Here we go. Giant ancient core. A giant energy crystal made using lost ancient technology. Cores this large are extremely refined. A researcher would probably know how to use this. And now we can start up the main control unit. You guys ready? Boom! Meets the Scourge of Divine Beast Vah Medoh. The newest creation of the next creation of Ganon. With a gun meets this guy. Wind Lightning, the Scourge of Divine Beast Vah Medoh.
Good luck. That thing is one of Ganon's own, and it plays dirty. It defeated me 100 years ago, but only because I was winged it.
I get it.
I can't believe I'm actually saying this, but you must avenge me, Link. His aim is dead on. Watch yourself.
Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh my gosh! Crud. Okay, get my bomb arrows ready. Nope. Alright, we're doing good. We're doing good. He only got me once, but we're doing good still. Okay. We have these little robotic things.
Watch your blind spot.
We almost got him. Yes! And that is how it's done. Just shoot him a punch in the eye. Just shoot a bunch of arrows in his eyes. That felt great. Go away, ugly. Is that like plasma or something? Ganon made plasma? Whatever. He's gone. There's like the essence of Ganon just spewing out of him. This is like plasma. Well, I'll let you guys call it whatever you want. Do you want to call it Ganon Plasma or the essence of Ganon? Whatever you guys want to call it is totally fine with me. Okay. We did it. Now we got 9, it looks like, right? Yeah, 9. Once you activate them, yeah. Yep, I'm activating it. I hope there's nothing I missed on Meadow. I hope he's so annoying if I missed it. And if I missed anything. Because I ain't gonna come back.
Well, I'll be plucked. You defeated him, eh? Who would have thought?
I did. Rivali, the Rito champion.
Well done. I suppose I should thank you now that my spirit is free. This returns Meadow back to its rightful owner. Don't preen yourself just for doing your job. I do suppose you've proven your value as a warrior worthy of my unique ability, the sacred skill that I have dubbed Rivali's Gale!
Look at this. I believe I can fly!
It's now time to move on and start making preparations for Meadow's strike on Geth.
I like that.
But only if you think you'll still need my help while you're
I
fighting
like
inside
that.
Hyrule Castle.
I like that so much
Feel free
now.
to thank me now. Or, never mind, just go. Your job is far from finished, you know. The princess has been waiting an awful long time.
Well, there we go, guys. Our second divine beast. Claimed by us. Go us! I like that. I believe I can fly! And matched perfectly with what Link did. As he flew up in the air using Rivaldi's Gale. You guys remember that thing at the top of Rito Village, right? Well, that was the perch. And boom! Hey guys, we already have 9 hearts, which means pretty soon we can go to the Lost Woods and get the Master Sword. Very soon.
Medoh's sights are now set. You'll have a precise speed on Ganon from this vantage point. And when the time is right, give him everything you've got. Now we wait for that perfect moment. Medoh, we've been artfully patient for the last 100 years. I doubt you'll suffer a feather over a few more moments. After all these years, I simply must admit the truth. Even without the power of flight, Link made his way to this divine beast and accomplished something that even I could not. Guess I was wrong about how lucky he would be. I hope that luck holds out, Link, for everyone's sake.
And there you have it. We got Rivaldi's Gale. We got Divine Beast Vah Medoh back. This is great. Rivaldi's Gale. A blusterous power born from the spirit of the champion Rivali. Creates an updraft that carries you into the sky. Activate by charging jump with X. Well, before we end this episode, there are still a few things that we have to do. For example, I want to get those updates, and we're going to talk to this guy. You have done it! You survived that. You conquered Divine Beast Vah Medoh. To think, the beast has taken up roost at the top of the village. It looks simply divine. If the legends are true, the light from the divine beast will ravage the calamity. But now, Divine Beast Vah Medoh will become the protector of the village and live on in legend alongside you. Oh yes, of course I must reward you properly. Feel free to take what you find in that treasure chest. You will get more use out of it than I. We did become miraculous, though I should expect nothing less of one from the bloodlines of a champion. Why, you're almost the equal of the very Highland champion who fought with Master Rivali 100 years ago. All you lack is the sword that seals the darkness. They say the Highland champion wielded the sword that seals the darkness that now sleeps deep within the forest. Divine Beast Vah Medoh is complete. Like I said, before we end this video, I'm taking it over there to Hot Agent Tech Lab, and we are getting those updates. And they didn't mention that there were updates then. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. There are updates that need to be complete. And it's raining. Hey, Pyrrha.
Wow.
Hey, you. Something on your mind? Something good. Aha! I'm glad you asked. Yeah. I told you guys.
Oh.
Hey! Ancient materials. Now then, in exchange for those ancient materials, I'll power up a rune on your Seek Slate. I'm game! So, which one? I'm doing the stasis, because this is actually a really fun update. With this... With this one, actually, not only does this stop objects, but it stops monsters in their tracks, too. Not for very long, though, but still helpful. Alright. Authenticated. Downloading rune. Boom! And there we go. Stasis has been updated to Stasis Plus. Stop the flow of time for an object. The powered up Stasis rune can now stop evil creatures. Stopped objects store kinetic energy. The stored energy will act, making go. Yeah, we get it. All right. Did the trick. Snap. Alright, guidance unlock remove. I wonder what happens if I say I won't do it. I won't say snap. Now before we end this episode, there is a fun side quest. You know what, actually I think I'll save that for another time. This is like for the Seek Center Plus. That's the next update that we're going to be doing. Now we got Remote Bombs Plus. And I feel like our next Divine Beast is going to be... Yeah, our next Divine Beast is going to be Rudania. I mean, Ruta, we already conquered Rudania. And then finally we'll go for Naboris. And then it's off to Ganon, guys. Sensor. Oh. Okay, it just snaps. It just stops it. Snap. Alright. That's all the updates. Guys, thank you for tuning into this awesome episode of The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. It was awesome. I loved it. It was incredible. We saved Divine Peace Vah Medoh and Rivali's Spirit, and we got Rivali's Gale. And we crushed Windblight Ganon, so that's awesome too. So it was a great day. I like it. I love it. So I can't wait to see you guys back for another awesome episode where we will do some more stuff that's not in the story. Yahoo! Oh, the She Sensor Plus! I really want to see it. Yes, quite. So if you don't mind, how about showing Simon that spiffy She Sensor Plus later? What's this? Perhaps you already went and powered them all up. Alright. Yes. Quiet. Quite. Nothing at all. Not even game. Slated for updates is complete. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Please tune in next time where we will, like I said, do some more stuff. that is not on the story. Got the lizard. So long, everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Really, this was awesome.